So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are DAX operators in Power BI. So the DAX language uses operators to create expression that compares values, perform arithmetic calculation, or work with strings. Now there are four different types of operators we have, like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, then we have text concatenation operators, and lastly we have logical operators. So let's start with arithmetic operators. So it is used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. Now we can use plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk sign for multiplication, forward slash for division. Then we have caret that can be used for exponential. Then we move on to the comparison operators. You can compare two values with the following operators. Like if you want to compare two values, then there is equal to. Double equal to is used for strict equal to. Then we have greater than, we have less than, we have greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. Over here, let's see when we can use greater than symbol. So let's say you want to find out the countries which are generating sales greater than 2000. So in this case, what you can do is you can easily write the DAX query as sales price greater than 2000. So in this way, we can make use of comparison operators over here. Then third one we have is text concatenation operators. This we can do with the help of ampersand sign. It connects or concatenates two values to produce one continuous text value. And lastly, we have logical operators. Over here, the double ampersand is used to create an AND condition between two expressions that each have a Boolean result. And over here, if both expression returns true, the combination of the expression also returns true. Otherwise, the combination returns false. Then we have double pipe symbol, which signifies a OR condition between two logical expressions. If either expression returns true, the result is true. Only when both expressions are false, the result is false. And then the third one is in, which is which creates a logical OR condition between each row being compared to a table. Note the table constructor syntax uses curly braces. So in this way, we can use DAX operators which are there in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.